Welcome back to KBK P6 Planner and Scheduler YouTube channel. Have you ever looked at a massive project and felt overwhelmed by where to start? The secret to managing a large-scale project is not working hard. It's breaking it down until it's manageable. That's exactly what we are doing today. Before we dive in, please hit the like and subscribe button and share this video with your fellow planners. In our last video, we successfully created our projects in Primavera P6. Today, we are going to take one of those projects and build WBS, or work breakdown structure. One of the biggest mistakes beginners make is confusing a WBS with an activity. A WBS is not an activity. An activity is a task, like pouring concrete. It's a verb. A WBS is a category or deliverables that hold those tasks, which is a noun. Now let's define WBS. WBS is a hierarchical decomposition of the entire project scope into smaller, more manageable parts. Now let's start creating the WBS in P6. So as you see on the screen, last time we created these projects, the G+, 4, G+2. So if you guys didn't see this one, you can go to our tutorials and you can get it, how we created these projects. So today we're gonna pick one of our projects, which is the G+ for residential building project, and then we create a WBS for that specific projects. So we have to click here first, then right click, open the projects. So it takes us to the WBS page for that specific project. So this is a G+ for residential building projects. Now you have to click the WBS icon. So this is our WBS page for that specific project. And then you can click here the add button. So this is our project level 1. This is level 1, which is the project. Then we create the level 2s of our sample project for G+4. Then we click the add button here, and then we input our level 2 first WBS, which is pre-design phase. So pre-design phases, it's in a level 2. So click on the blank space. Then we create the other one as well, the WBS node. So you see, these two are on the first and the second level. So by clicking this one, we make it as a level 2. So I will put the name here. The other one, which is the design phase. So we're gonna click it. For the WBS code, P6 automatically updates the code, so you don't need to input here. So we're gonna add the other WBS node. Click this arrow to the left, so it make it level 2. So we have to input the other WBS node, which is the procurement phase. Procurement phase, click on the blank space. So add another WBS node and take it to the left. Then put the WBS name here, the construction phase. Then add another WBS node here. Click this one to the left. The other WBS node is the testing and commissioning phase. Click on the blank space. So the last one is the closeout phase. Click here the add button and take it to the left. So in this WBS node, write the last one, which is the closeout phase. So as you can see here, we already created 2 levels. The first level is the project, the G+ for residential building project. The second level of our WBS is all these phases. So in order to now, we're gonna create for the construction phase another WBS node, which is a child for this construction phase. Click the add button here. And you see the relationship is as a parent and a child. So this is the level 3 WBS nodes. So on the construction phase, we have a site preparation and mobilization. So click on the blank space here. So we have another level 3 activity, which is substructure works. Then click the add button. So make it at the same level, like level 3, because they are at the same level. So I'm going to write substructure workers. Substructure workers, click on the blank space and add another WBS node for level 3. And then this one is superstructure workers. So click on the blank space. So these all are in level 3. So under this WBS, we have another WBS. So we have to input those WBS by clicking the add button here. So now we created the level 4 of this WBS structure. So under site preparation and mobilization, we have site mobilization. Click on the blank space. We're gonna add another level 4 WBS. Click here to take it to the left, which is to take it to the level 4. So we have to name this one. We will say temporary facilities and utilities. And then the last one is the safety setup permit. Click the add button. Take it to the level 4, then name it safety setup. So this is our last level 4 activity. So as you can see, we have created a WBS for G+4 residential building. So you can create by your own for the pre-construction design activity. You can create for design phase. Since we have a limited time here, I just add the level 4 for construction phase only. So now let's see how it looks on our activity page. Click the activity page and see how it looks our WBS. As you can see here, the WBS is created, but it's not a organized level. So we have to make organize this one. You have to go to the file menu here. So refresh the data, then right away, well organize it. So this is our WBS structure for G+4 residential building project. Then you can go like the view button and then click the collapse to. So you have all WBS that we created for this specific project, which is level 1, 2, 3, 4. So when you click level 1 only, it shows you the project. Then you click apply, it shows you the project. When you click level 2, it shows you all the level 2 WBS nodes. You see all these phases, which is level 2. Then when you click level 3, you see all level 3 WBS nodes. You see all the yellow one here. So when you click WBS 4 and click apply, you will see all level 4 WBS. So this is how you create a WBS for your project. There you have it. Your project now has a project skeleton. In the next video, we will see how to add activities to this WBS nodes. If this tutorial helped you, do not forget to like, subscribe, and share this video. If you have any question, drop them in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.